Hi guys, I'm Yaode. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to install a pair of dynamic turn signal lights on my 2017 Audi A4. Before that, let me show you what it looks like. And I got this dynamic turn signal lights from China. You can also buy it from Google by searching B9 dynamic turn signal lights, which I don't think there are much differences. And this is the turn signal lights. As you can see, let's peel it off. As you can see, these dynamic turn signal lights come with this black. Because I like the black, so I just choose the black. You can also buy the white one, I believe. And also, let's see what the tool we need. We need this plastic trim removal and also a screwdriver. I don't know what the size with this, but I'm going to use my screwdriver and I can tell you what the size with it. Let me set up the camera and start the work. Before we start the work, let me tell you something. If you don't have something like this, you can use your finger to pull this mirror off. Be careful, be really gently. Let's start. Now as you can see, this mirror is off. And right now you need to take two bolts off. One is on the left side and one is on the right side. And the side for the screwdriver is T10. And now let's take it off. And also if you want, you can pull these wires off. There are 3 wires in total. If you want, you can take them off. But I will just leave them at there. And now let me use this trim removal to take the mirror cap off. I don't know why this mirror cap is really hard to take off, so I'm going to take all of the screw out. Because this mirror cap is really hard to take off, I'm going to take more of this removal to help me to take it out. Right now I'm going to use my trim removal and let's see. Now this is finally off. I think this one is really hard, so it's easier to take it off. So be sure you get a good one. And right now seems like there is a one inside there. If you like, you can take it out, but I'm going to just leave it there. But there is one, and here you must to take it off, otherwise you cannot replace your turn signal light. And right now it's off. And let me see how many balls are on this turn signal light. There is one ball. By the way, there are only 2 balls on the mirror caps. One is here, there is another one on this side. Based on this new turn signal light, it seems there are 3 clicks. Actually, to release the click, it should be out. You have to use something small to hold it on this click and this click, and then it will be out. Now let's put on the new one. Now the screw is back in, and let's put these wires back. Let's have a see. It's really cool. Now let me put every screw back and have a better look with this mirror's cap on.
Many months later.
Let me show you, it's all done. It is pretty cool, right? Let's see this side. And also guys, let me tell you something. When I trying to take these mirrors off, I didn't pull it in the right way. I used too much strength on this side, so it's called this mirror broken. That is really sad. So if you guys are planning to install this by yourself, be really careful. Like I said in the start of this video, be really gently to these mirrors. It's really thin, so it's really easy to broken. However, I really like this dynamic turn signal light. And also I got this 4 candles from China as well, because this is really cheap, so this stuff is not really good. After I received it, I was give up to put this on, but recently I have new plans for my front bumper, so I'm going to put this on in today's video and show you guys how it looks like. And also I cannot tell you what the new plans for my front bumper, so you have to wait in the future's video, but I can tell you it's definitely worth to wait. Now as you can see, I put the candles on. It looks not bad, but when you look closely, you can see this 3M tape at the here. I cannot do anything with that because it's not like other candles. You put the screws on and you won't see the gap. And I hope this won't falling off when I driving on the road or when I wash the car. Let me show you this side. As you can see. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. However, there are something new plans for my front bumper, so this is only for now. So how do you guys think the new dynamic turn single light? I think it is pretty cool. Please let me know what do you guys think in the comments below. And can you guess what the new plans for my front bumper? You also can leave a comment in the description below. If you guys are planning to installing dynamic turn single lights by yourself, be really careful when you pull off the mirrors because it's really easy to broken it. This will be end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please let me know if you have any questions in comments below, and please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you for your watching. I will see you in the next video.